Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the FLISSA Machete. I got this item recently for a project we needed outside, so let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This machete has a handle design that is comfortable to hold and use. It has transparent air columns that effectively absorb shock and relieve any vibration or fatigue during using this machete. The blade has a high quality stainless steel with a refined edge that gives a hardness and sharpness that is needed for all kinds of purposes. This machete has a length of 11 inches and it weighs 1.06 pounds, making it convenient to carry around and use. It is just the right size to give us powerful cutting, at the same time easy to take around. This is a great option to have on hand for gardening, landscaping, bushcraft, hunting, or outdoor purposes. And we can easily use this to clear brushes, harvest crops, or even to trim trees. Plus, it's great to have on hand for any future emergency or needs that we might need. The sheath that comes with it is made of high quality nylon material, and it is also equipped with a braided belt and buckle to ensure stability and safety. If you are in the market for a high quality, convenient, and easy to use machete for whatever outdoor purposes or to give as a gift for outdoor enthusiasts in your life, this is definitely worth looking into.